folks, it's me again. I will do a I'll do a brain fart. Anyway, this week, first I'll do a Monday update, Monday morning weekly update. What do I usually put on Mondays? Anyway, this week's weekly update is probably gonna throw the flashlight in the garbage that I did a video of. My shop is definitely moving. It's coming along. We're waiting for the other building to be cleared out and cleaned up, and it's pretty much going to be from then on. I'm probably going to have to what do you call it? DG Retro Customs. Danny asked me a good question. Am I going to just do a whole new like shop cleaning videos, or am I going to have a nice shop? So I'm thinking I'll do unload the shop video and reload the shop video into a pile of junk, because basically the shop is twice the size as this. So my biggest problem is the biggest problem is I have cars in the way. If I didn't have these two cars in here, I'd have a much cleaner shop and probably. And who am I kidding? It'd be a little more space. So I'm a little crammed in here, but I got a lot of shit. So what's my plan for new shop? My plan, first of all, is to move all the small stuff and work on the heavy stuff last. So I'll probably take all the small stuff, clean it out of here. I have access to a forklift to move some of the stuff. I have to somehow figure out how to get this milling machine out of here, because when we first put it in here, there was we used the chain hoist. It was attached to a piece of wood in the ceiling. Now I gotta figure out how to put that back. So I gotta pop in the ceiling and put a log back in there. My biggest problems are moving the milling machine. Probably the welders I can roll down the road. Pile of steel. Most of it's the milling machine. Couple of toolboxes, the 300-pound bender, and the 300-pound lathe, and some of the other awkward stuff, like a half taken apart bike. Logistically, it's just a matter of keeping a few things that I have in pieces together, so I don't lose pieces. I don't want to lose certain things. Like the three-wheeler, I'm going to haul it out of here and make sure all the pieces are in one pile. My Vice project, I'm probably going to use a bunch of tubs. And it's going to be basically rebuilding an entire garage, because I don't have a lot of I have a workbench here, but I don't have a lot of like benches. So I'll basically be able to set up a mosquito trying to kill me. I will be able to set up my bandsaw and all my, there's literally a 40-foot wall. So it's going to be a different setup. And then after I'm done piling all the stuff in there, I'll probably make a video organizing it. I'm going to have to build a new steel rack. I'll have a wall for that. I got to take all the lumber, extra shit out of here. There will probably be a little bit of stuff being thrown in the trash. Probably a lot. But most of it, I go through here regularly and throw stuff out of the trash. Do I throw everything in the trash? No. Do I keep a lot of stuff? Yeah, most of the shit I have is steel and tools. Or steel tools. So... and a collection of vices and, other random stuff that most people hoard. But I probably going to have to take all this shelving, put it in there. It's a fucking, excuse me. It's going to be a lot of work moving stuff. But, see, I'm caught kind of a hard space. Basically, the last thing I'll be probably working on here is this sandblasting tub, and I'll try to get it on wheels. I'm all sweaty, it's why I keep touching my face. It's not even hot up. Anyway, the sandblast tub, I'm going to finish painting it, but get it on wheels so I can get it out of here and just roll it, because it's only I'm moving to it's probably 100 feet away, but I got to go around the building on the other side. It's got a nice big garage door, big space. All the walls are lined with sheet metal, so it's makes it harder for me to burn it down, because this place is just too small. And I got a lot of shit to move. But I mean, the biggest, like I said, there's only, most of the stuff can be taken out in small pieces. I'll put a lot of stuff. I'm gonna probably have to make a little skid on wheels, roll it out there, and have the forklift take it out of here. I was thinking of making trying to get some pallets and put a lot of things on pallets, and then getting that rolled out here. There's maybe 10 things in there that weigh 200 plus pounds, and I know there's a few other things that weigh about 100 pounds that are gonna kill me. I got about 10 anvils I have 10 anvils. I keep looking back because it's just getting a view. I can easily put a drill press in the trailer, put this drill press in the trailer, put this bandsaw in the trailer, take the shelves down, take my what do you call it, bench grinder. Take that bench grinder off there. Take the chop saw, the arbor presses, undo all the band saws, and mostly it's just a lot of steel. Like a lot of I have a huge collection of scrap metal that I like to use. And hey, there's one thing I learned: if you don't have to pay for it and you could store it for a while, I go through. I'm like, once in a while, just toss stuff, because after a while you're like, haven't used it in 6 months, chuck it. And then as soon as you throw it out, you're like, oh man, I needed that exact piece. So that always happens. I have my little wall of magnets that I can just put on the wall there, and so anyway, all my lighting is gonna come down, and I'll probably use it over there. I have to fix the lighting over there because it sucks donkey balls. It's the old incandescent lights. So I'm gonna put a plug on the ceiling and probably chain those Harbor Freight lights together. The LED ones, the 8,000 lumens or 5,000, I don't know, 3, 4, 5, whatever. I have 2 of them daisy chained, plugged in together, and I think I have 3. I have at least 3 of them. I'm gonna need at least 4 more. I also need a 12-foot ladder because the ceilings are, I think they're 12 feet high. So probably get a lift in there. But I'll probably take all the small stuff out. My car, I'll have to roll that out, and I have to get all the stuff away from the mule. And I'll make some videos hauling out of here. This welding bench has to be basically everything taken off it and hauled out of here. I will try to make just a dolly to roll stuff to the door. Roll it down the road. I want to buy some really big, because I know small wheels suck. So I'm going to try to buy some big balloon wheels and make a cart and go over there. Do I have to do this on any type of schedule? Obviously, I'm not going to take forever. I would like to take a week or two to get all, well, it might be a little longer. I'd like to get it out of here as fast as possible. So I can I'm basically said it's going to be a pile-up thing. And anyway, with me rambling on, I'm kind of excited, but I'm just like, well, then what do I do for videos? So I'm going to do some tool videos, do some working on the sandblaster, and do some small work until then. And after that, the channel won't shut down. I'll just have I have a whole bunch of videos. So I'm hoping I can get at least another month's worth of videos done. And then I'll start setting up the camera and just high speed and show you I'll put it in the corner and just start I'll record me taking stuff out of here. And I'll keep all the exciting parts so you don't get bored. So anyway, enough babbling. So hope you like this. Hope you like the channel. It's just me putzing around. And if you want to come visit me and help me haul all stuff out of here, please do. Also, if you watch all my videos and you subscribe, you'll help me. Right now, I have enough subscribers for the monetization requirements. I don't have enough watch hours. So if you are watching, I don't know, play your videos in the background or something. Watch all my videos to the end. Help me get some watch hours. And I appreciate every single one of you, 1,200 and I think it's 10 people at the moment who have subscribed. I totally appreciate helping me out, and I like helping other small channels. And every time I do a YouTube survey, I always tell YouTube they should have a button on YouTube so you can search and find smaller channels, because it's like every time you look at the algorithms, like all these bazillion channels. I'm like, you know what? They should have an option just so you can go in and like, you know what? I don't want to look at channels that have 100,000 subscribers. I want to see what the small channels are doing. So anyway, blah, blah, blah. Shut up, Chris. So thanks for watching, Toodles, and take care.